Sometimes you come across a furnace that only burns out of one burner. It's really frustrating. This is what happens when you're running out of one burner. Usually it's these burners. If you come and take a look at this, you see how rusted it is. They get really rusted, and what happens is, the way it's supposed to work is, the fire will come out of one, and then it will actually transfer through this little crevice and light the second one, and then transfer through this crevice and then light the third one. You see where this is clogged up with a lot of rust? What happens is the gas is not able to transfer over here, and it'll just keep one burner lit. So when you come across that furnace where one burner is burning, you want to take a look at the actual burners. And it's tricky because a lot of times we're looking from the back like that, and the burners can look good. You can say they look clean, and you can't see this side. So you actually have to take the burners off and then look at it. And oftentimes you'll see it looks a lot worse on the front than it actually looks at the back. Now, if it's not super clogged up like this one, you can take a really solid wire brush and really brush this and brush this and brush this and clean this out. Now, this one is really far beyond that, so we had to replace these burners. And this is a really, really common problem. We got this one fixed. Customers happy, nice, and warm. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you need us, we're in Fayetteville, North Carolina, AC Man Heating and Air. Thanks for watching.